is John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, today's lesson I'm going to be taking you all the way to the coast and show you how to make a cute little cartoon lighthouse. That's right. So if you have your pencil and some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. That was a fun lesson, and I hear the waves crashing and the birds singing around that lighthouse. How about you? Well, I don't have any birds in my lighthouse, but maybe you want to do that. Maybe you want to add some birds or add some like surfing people or a little surfing boat or whatever. Anything that you want to use. Once again, try your imagination and add to the picture that we just worked on. And if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, to all my buds, hey, thanks a lot. I appreciate that. And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe because you're going to get a lot more information that way. Anyway, so thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.